Jesus Stop Nation, welcome back to another TTR video. No, there's been a lot of controversy on this particular phone right here. Yeah, so this is the iPhone Air, and I think it's a good controversy because Apple have people talking again for the right reasons. And I will be giving those reasons very soon, especially in the full review coming up. But today you're here for the unboxing of the iPhone Air. I got mine in light gold. I wanted to know and see what all the buzz and all the hype about. I personally think, as I said before, it's a great controversy because I do think personally and objectively, I really do think that this is the future of where Apple is going, and they're kind of like sending us a message. I'm gonna give it like a quick input. You guys remember when they dropped the Apple Watch Ultra, the first Apple Watch Ultra, and it had that little orange button on the side? Now you got a bright orange iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. I just wanted to give you guys some context to see how Apple basically kind of like uses different, signs to show you what's coming up next. So I do believe this is one of the signs. But let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone Air, and I'm gonna give you guys my first impression and tell you what I think about it for the first time unboxing it. See, all sealed, but let's get straight into the unboxing. So first thing first, guys. First impression on just the box alone, you can tell this is gonna be an extremely light phone. And I think that's what Apple was aiming for in the first place when they really made that phone, or make this phone. They wanted it to be really this light, where even the box is significantly light. So I can already tell there will be no charger in the box as usual, Apple. And China is doing it big when it comes on to giving us charger and other accessories in the box. Come on, Apple, man. Stop following the rest of them. Let's go. Pull off the first tab. Now the second tab. I ain't gonna lie, that felt good. All right. Let's just check the box real quick. Let's put the iPhone here to the side. Feels so light, guys. It's like a goddamn paper. So we just get like a dongle or a braided charging cable. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Put that to the side. We don't get any Apple sticker no more. And we just get this pamphlet with Apple just telling you a bunch of stuff which I don't think anybody at all read. But let's go ahead and let's do the reveal of the iPhone Air. That was satisfying. So yes, guys, this is the iPhone Air in light gold. I chose light gold. And I will be honest, first impression right now is it feels way more premium than my 17 Pro Max. I swear to God, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. It feels even more premium than it feels way better than the 14 Pro Max. I'm not gonna lie. It feels way more. That's my first initial thoughts and impression of this phone. It feels very elegant and it feels very easy to hold. That's my first initial impression. It's so thin, guys. 5.1 millimeter, something around that. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment. I think it's 5.1 or 5.5. I think the iPad Pro is the 5.1 and the iPhone Air is the 5.5, around there. I don't want to butcher it. So if somebody in the comment, just let me know. Talk to me. We're here to help each other. Around the phone itself does look, you can see the gold. I can definitely see the gold. Yeah, it definitely will get fingerprints on it as well too. You'll get smudges, because it's like a polished titanium around the entire phone itself. It does look nice though, bro. The gold, I just believe that Apple could do much better with the gold. You remember the iPhone 10, like the thinnest, the thinnest Max? Those iPhones look like gold. I see what Apple want to do nowadays. I want to kind of keep everything sleek and everything kind of like minimal, and but I do think Apple should make these devices more color accurate, in my opinion. Just let it be gold, Apple. Like, start looking like it's like ever so slightly you kind of shimmer it, you see a little gold here and there, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful looking phone. You got that 148 megapixel fusion camera that Apple calls it right here. So that's the fusion camera. You got here your action button, your volume rocker up and down. It do come with the camera button right there as well, and this is your on and off button, and also the button that can activate Siri. And here is, I see other people talk about it as well. It's called it's a 3D printed Type-C charging port, which a lot of people said that it kind of like off-put on the device itself. Me, I don't really care about that. Like, who have time to basically look where the charging port is and care? Like, some people, I feel like it's just too perfect. Like, who cares? Who's gonna come down there to their charging port every single day and be like, shit, they off-put it? Like, bro, who gives a fuck? But nonetheless, it's a Type-C, and I don't think you get the fast USB transfer speed like the 17 Pro, which is a bummer. You got, like, here right now is no speaker grill. This is pure microphone right here. And at the top right here, this is where you get your only speaker grill, which is a caveat. So this phone, guys, have a lot of caveat, and I will be getting into it soon in the full review. And also I want to do like a day in the life, especially with the battery. It's a 3000 something milliamp hour battery. I will have all the information in the full review. This is just the unboxing, the first impression of what I think. It does feel premium, and it does feel like I'm gonna really enjoy this phone. Let's boot it up real quick, see if it has some juice. Yup, definitely have some juice. But I know I'm gonna enjoy this device. I'm gonna set this device up, play with it a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and have my verdict on it, if it's a to go buy. I don't want to give you guys too much now, because I want to personally use it every day with the battery life, with the apps that I use. I do delivery, I do Grubhub, and I do other deliveries in my city, and I want to put it to the test. I want to put it to the test, guys. So without any further ado, this is the full unboxing of the iPhone Air. Camera button right there. Got mine in light gold. Let me know, guys, if it looks gold to you on the camera. Let me try one time. See if you guys. How does it look, guys? How does it look? Talk to me. Does it look gold on the camera? Around here, yeah, you can definitely see the gold around the finish. I might call it the finish. The finish is definitely gold, but it does feel pretty premium. And as I said, it feels more premium than because it's so thin. It's such a thin phone. It feels more premium than the 14 Pro Max. I know it will feel even more premium than the 15 Pro Max and even the 16 Pro Max. It definitely feels more premium than even the 17 Pro Max. It feels like a jewelry. Swear to God. You know what I mean? Hey, by the way, let me ask you right now. What is the size of the iPhone Air? Oh, it's 6.1. Oh, so 6.15 in inches. You know what? I don't. That's the height. It's seriously so stupid. It's telling me the wrong thing. I'm a figure all of that out, guys. And in the full review, I'm gonna come with all the spec, how thin this phone is compared to the Galaxy S26 25 Edge, and yeah. So thank you guys for stopping by for the unboxing of the iPhone Air. Give you guys another look. Got mine in light gold. Let me know what you guys think on you guys' first impression. I'm about to set it up. I'm gonna send my information and everything over and get this up and running, so we can do a full review for you guys. And this is a 6.5-inch display, by the way. I know that for a fact. The 6.5-inch display, so it's right in between the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, and a little bit above the iPhone 17, the base model 17. Now, does the iPhone Air worth $1,000? Stay tuned.